Hi, my name is Deji Hambolu, and this is one of the three house flipping projects that I'm currently working on. In the last 3 years, I've been able to flip 11 houses, all while working a full 9 to 5 corporate America job. And my work has been seen on various platforms such as Yahoo Finance, ABC News, Daily Emerald, and so on. But the best part is, and the most exciting part is, this year I've been helping other people with full-time responsibilities, such as full-time jobs, full-time students, to achieve similar results through real estate investing part-time, right? Take Rebecca here, for example. Rebecca was able to make close to $50,000 in just 4 months from following simple steps in this very training. Rebecca was able to do all of this even during a global pandemic without having any previous real estate investing experience, without having a real estate license, without having great credit, and without having a large sum of capital to even get started. That's right, and you can do it too. So if you're interested, if you want to start to build financial freedom, if you want to start to build generational wealth for you and for your family, and be able to do all this while you work a full-time job, then make sure you enroll today. You want to hurry. You want to hurry because seats are limited. Seats are limited because I want to focus my time and energy on helping a select few people achieve their goals. So if you're one of them, make sure you enroll now, and I'll see you in the class.